lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make papaya oil for a glowing skin and also for hair growth. Yes, you know, papaya is really effective in moisturizing and improving skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, dryness, and skin lines. It regenerates skin cells. The papain in papaya oil is helpful in renewing the dead skin cells. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, yes, which is very good in improving the collagen content, breaking them down on the skin to remove dead skin cells. But before we get into the video, please, if today is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. Yes, and also give me a thumbs up. So I have my freshly washed papaya here, and it's ripe, very well ripe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it and go ahead and then cut my papaya into two. I'm going to remove the seeds. Please don't throw the seeds away. You can also use the seeds for your hair. If you want to know how to use the papaya seeds for your hair, you can leave the comment down below, then I'll go ahead to make a video for you to see how you can use the papaya seeds for your hair. Yes, so right from the seeds to the leaves and also its fruits, they are all beneficial for the skin. So now, without wasting much time, I'm going ahead with my frying pan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one papaya, then scoop the fruit into it. This is so simple and so easy to do. No need to worry at all if you want to have a glowing skin. And you can note that all skin colors can use this oil. Yes, this is so simple and so easy to do. I think the half will do, so I'm going ahead to make sure it's well mashed. And now I'm going ahead to go with my coconut oil. Coconut oil helps also in improving the skin color and giving you a glowing skin. It prevents dryness as the papaya. So I'm going ahead to pour everything into it. Make sure you mix them very well. Alright, so I'm going to bring this to a fry for 20 minutes. So I'll be back, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes and I'm done with the frying of the papaya, and our oil is ready. When you look at it, you can see a mass difference that the oil has changed in color. So I'm going to allow it to cool down, then I'll proceed to the next stage. Okay guys, so I've allowed it to cool down. Now I need a strainer and a bowl. I'm going ahead to strain the oil. make sure you press it to be able to get the oil out of the fruit. All right, so now that's the color of it, so I'm going to transfer it into a small jar, a storing container. So this is your papaya oil. You can use this also to lighten your skin. Yes, it lights up the skin as well, and also gives a glowing skin. So we've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.